Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to give you an update for today. Lots of things going on in the background as far as vacation stuff and this and the other, but we did get the 44 back together. Last night we put the front fenders, well yesterday I should say, the front fenders and grill went on, and then today we put the running boards, rear fenders, and hood back on it, and fixed some things in the process. The power trunk now works. We got the ground working. We redid the wiring on the tail lights back here, so they're working a lot better. We unhooked our third brake light thing we have here that we don't want on there, and we kind of got everything bolted down really good. So now we just shouldn't have crazy issues. Now what we're thinking here is when we get back from vacation, we do need a couple things. We have an issue with our transmission dipstick, which is a stupid issue to have. I need a new dipstick. Basically what we ended up doing was using a tube out of one and a dipstick out of another tube, just because we needed it. It didn't fit all the way in. I need to actually order one for a Turbo 350, just a new one that's a matching set, because right now I know we're not low on fluid, but I'm not getting anything on the stick, so you know, there's that. So that issue we got to deal with, and then what else? We definitely need to do tires and wheels on this thing sooner than later, but for now that's not the end of the world. We did get the other seat bolted back in it. Got the insulation I did the other day. There's a video coming out a couple days on doing the insulation, so if you're wondering how to do insulation, watch that video. I go through it step by step. And yeah, so 40 Ford is almost ready to get back on the road here. We got some adjusting to do on the hood, which we're going to do tomorrow, and we got to put that on once we get it all adjusted. And then and the headlight bucket on that side, but that's nothing. Otherwise, looking pretty good. And then this will be ready, honestly, to go to cruise ends, to drive around the neighborhood. We need to actually put some miles on it, like actually get it on a real road and drive it, just to make sure everything's right, you know. Get it on the highway, see how it does, you know. I mean, these are things that still need to happen here. We still have our game plan for the windshield for the turkey run, Thanksgiving weekend. We're going to get that, and then we'll get it put in. And yeah, we've been selling a couple things. We had a guy come today. We had a 305 engine block that it had a spun bearing in it. It was a bare block, a really good block. I don't think it had ever been bored out or anything like that. Didn't really have a ridge or anything like that on the cylinder wall. So it's a good motor, but we're never going to use it. It was originally going to be the engine for this. Okay, because what we did, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but when we bought the fenders and the hood, the guy that sold it to us sold us this too for 150 bucks. Okay, it's got a cracked block, but it's got the HO heads, the fuel injection, all of that, right? The tune port and everything. So we thought, man, that'd be cool. And originally, that motor was in this car. It wasn't running, but it was in it. That's what we mocked everything up with. We were legitimately going to put that in here. But then we started thinking about it, and you know, just the power levels weren't right. You know, we wanted 350, 400 horse, something like that. Lots of torque, rev happy, exactly what we ended up getting. And so it just didn't happen. But we had bought that other block for like 50 bucks off a guy off of Facebook Marketplace, and with the intent of just swapping it over, doing a little machine work and swapping everything over, the pistons and everything out of that motor, putting it in the new block, and rocking and rolling. But honestly, I think we made the right choice. So block sold, and then I got a guy coming that's buying the 2 doors off of the Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible. He'll either be here tonight or tomorrow morning, so that'll be fun. Get that out of here. I mean, otherwise, you know, to be completely honest, I was going to take him to the junkyard and just, you know, junk him, but not get anything for him. I just need him out of here. So things are happening. I am selling my transmission to the Chrysler, the automatic. If anybody needs a 727 auto for a big block, hit me up. I got one with a torque converter. Make you a hell of a deal. Just trying to get room in the shed for all the new stuff that's coming. So anyway, guys, that's kind of what's going on here. Tomorrow will be another day of tweaking on this, just messing with it, getting things dialed in. Hopefully get that hood dialed in and that back on it, and you know, just keep pushing it forward as far as we can, and then it should be good. So all right, guys, well, I'm going to call it a night. Hope you guys have a great day, and we will see you guys tomorrow. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out, and we're going to keep on going, guys. Have a good one.